one here is without duck feet. A little dusty to see that it doesn't have duck feet on, but we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Gotta move this up. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So 19 on that one. The machine with duck feet. Excuse me. Oh. Zero. Another one, no duck feet. Just a different spot in the field. So we are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, well, there's 20. This might have been out of the line. 21. The one with duck feet. There's one. There's two. So two. It's another one without duck feet. Again, they're just in a different spot in the field. So a little harder to pick here, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, there's another one, 15, 16, 16, yeah, can call it 17, 18, and to the end of the pen here, 19. This is the machine with duck feet. There's probably one. Just one on that one.